I've been noticing lately that a lot of people have been making comics and anime comics, and they're their own stories. And I've done that too, but I've done it with real life. I'm just kidding. And I want to do this too. I want to be part of this, whatever it is. And so, I'm going to make a new video when it's done, which will probably be in like a long time, because you know how long it takes to draw anime comics. And I'm going to do one, and it's called Cold. It's about a girl, and she follows in and out of love. And because like most of my stories, they're love stories, because they make me feel happy inside. And this one, unlike for my other love stories, has a sad and happy ending. Most of them are sad. And so, if you do just watch my new video, and it's easier if you just subscribe, and then you can, press the subscriptions on your channel thing, and you can check out my new video, and it will be titled my anime comic, and has quotes gold. So, thank you for watching, and look forward to my new video.